Hey friends, Jeanette here with Vivo Vintage Designs. Today I am doing a paint and sip with both of my children. This is my son Anthony and my daughter Skylar and Diesel. So we've got some canvases, we have some acrylic paints, a bunch of brushes, and we're going to follow a tutorial on YouTube. And there's my daughter-in-law, Rachel. So let's see how. So Diesel got tired of walking around and decided that this beanbag chair was his new home. He looks very happy. And this is the progress we've made so far. My son is doing his own thing. My daughter chose red doors. I have blue. And my daughter-in-law has blue also. She's an engineer, so she's like using a ruler. The rest of us are just winging it. We've got wine, we've got tons of paint and brushes. And we're having a really nice time. All right, so our paintings are finished. This one here is mine. I'm not that great with acrylics, but I think it turned out pretty well. And here is my daughter's. She quit halfway.
I didn't quit. I painted until the end, Mom.
My son's wolf. No, it's not a wolf. It's his dog, Callie. And here is Rachel's.
Yeah.
So we had a lot of fun. We made a big mess. And I don't think Skylar will be doing this again. And here is Diesel. He wants to go home. He's not happy. Say hi, little boy. Yeah, he's not happy. All right, so we're going to clean up this mess. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Say bye, guys.
Bye! I want to add glitter.
Glitter!